Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Linear. We'll explore their core functionalities, ideal use cases, and help you determine which platform best suits your team's needs. Notion offers a highly customizable workspace for notes and project management, while Linear provides a streamlined issue tracking experience for software development. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of their strengths and weaknesses, enabling you to make an informed decision for your team. Notion stands out as an incredibly versatile all-in-one workspace. It allows users to build highly customized systems for everything from personal notes to complex project management. With its flexible databases and interconnected pages, you can create a tailored environment for documentation, wikis, and even content calendars. It truly shines when you need a single, adaptable hub for diverse team functions, offering virtually limitless possibilities for organization and collaboration. Linear, on the other hand, is purpose-built for the speed and efficiency required in software development. Its minimalist design and keyboard-first navigation enable rapid issue creation and management. Automated workflows and clear cycles streamline the entire development process, making it a favorite among engineering teams. Linear focuses intensely on delivering a fast, focused, and highly productive experience for tracking progress, ensuring your team stays on schedule with minimal friction. Ultimately, choosing between Notion and Linear depends on your specific operational needs. If your team requires a highly flexible, all-encompassing workspace for varied tasks, Notion is likely your best fit. However, for software development teams prioritizing speed, structured issue tracking, and streamlined workflows, Linear offers a superior, focused solution. Consider your team's primary function and workflow preferences to make the most informed decision for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.